Hi everyone and welcome to episode number 16. Today we're going to do something fun. We're going to do a science experiment. So we are going to be working with gummy bears! So come along, let's try this gummy bear science experiment. So I just want to give a little shout out to Little Bins for Little Hands, and I follow her and she gives really good STEM activities and how to make slime. She just gave out this Candy Science worksheet just recently. Today we'll be doing Growing Gummy Bear Lab. Here are the materials you'll need. You'll need different types of liquids to put the gummy bears in. I use 5 different types of liquids. I am going to be using water, salt water, soda, oil, and vinegar. I have 5 cups to put my liquids in, and of course you need your gummy bears. Before starting this experiment, you need to measure your gummy bears. And of course, you would think that all the gummy bears are the same size, but they're not. Record your measurements and also write down what gummy bear you're going to put in each liquid. Here's my question. Which liquid will make the gummy bear grow? Make a prediction. A prediction is a guess. My prediction is I think the water or the oil will make the gummy bear grow. With a measuring cup, I measured half a cup of water and then I put the gummy bear inside. Next, I measured half a cup of water and then I added some salt in it. I stirred the salt and made sure it got mixed well, and then I added the gummy bear inside. For my next liquid, I used oil. I measured half a cup of oil and then I put the gummy bear inside. I measured half a cup of vinegar and then I put the gummy bear inside. My last liquid was soda. I measured half a cup of soda and put the gummy bear inside. Leave the gummy bears in the cups for at least 6 to 12 hours. I put the cups in this basket just to make sure that it didn't spill. Here's my observations after 6 hours. Don't forget to measure the gummy bears. My mistake was I didn't measure them so that I couldn't really tell if they'd grown after 6 hours. From my pictures, you can tell that the gummy bear is slowly starting to break apart. So that was one of the reasons why I didn't touch it, but I really wish I did, just to see if it got bigger. Here's my observation after 1 day. The gummy that was in water was all in tiny little pieces. I tried measuring the salt water gummy, and while picking it up, it turned into tiny little pieces. The gummy that was in oil was still intact, and I could pick it up. The gummy that was in vinegar turned into tiny little pieces. The gummy also in soda was in tiny little pieces too. My conclusion is that gummy in oil, it started off at 2 centimeters and then it grew to 2.5 centimeters. We hope you had a good time with the science experiment. We'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye.
Mm.
Mm.